Today is Sunday. We are doing quotes donation for the orphanage. It's Ben trying to attract some people, but it's kind of empty in the moment.
This is working.
The temperature is maybe -5 degrees, but we are optimists.
Yeah, we are really optimistic.
Here the people are coming. Maybe they donate some quotes. We play some guitar. We already have some quotes, but they are not enough.